An air balloon descended 87.4 meters in 11 seconds. What was the balloon's average rate of descent in meters per second? So we have 87.4 meters in 11 seconds. Because we need to know what was balloon's average rate of descent in meters per second, so we have to do this division. We have to divide 87.4 by 11. How many times you can put 11 to 87? 7. 7 times 11 is 77, subtraction. 7 minus 7 is 0, 8 minus 7 is 1. We have to take up decimal point and take down first digit after decimal point. 104 divided by 11 is 9. 9 times 11 is 99. 104 minus 99 is 5. We didn't finish long division. We can add a few zeros. We take down next 0, so we have 50 divided by 11. It will be 4. 4 times 11 is 44. Subtraction, so 50 minus 44 is 6. We take down next 0, so it will be 60 divided by 11 is 5. 5 times 11 is 55, subtraction. 60 minus 55 is 5. We take down next 0, so it will be 50 divided by 11 is 4. 4 times 11 is 44, again you see, and we have again 6. We take down next 0 will be 60. 60 divided by 11 is 5. 5 times 11 is 55, subtraction, again we have 5. So we see that the numbers 4, 5 repeats. So we can write that this is equal 7.9, and because 45 repeats, I will draw the bar above. It means that these two numbers repeats. So we have the question, what was the balloon's average rate of descent in meters per second? It is 7.9 and 45 repeats meters per second. This is my solution.